Becky, will you marry me? I'll answer no. I'll answer no. Why? Because I'm Team Freen. Again? For me, Becky is for Freen, Freen is for Becky because I want to beg Freen. I want to beg Freen. Well, what's another question? Oh, it says we did it.
แปรงฟัน ไหน นี่เหรอ
Toothbrush.
Yes,
It's a toothbrush.
Oh,
Can we have your
toothbrush.
toothbrush, please? Come here, come here.
Yeah,
She
you
got so
go.
excited.
Yes, so big สุด
There you go. This is a beautiful toothbrush. Okay. Oh, only Manila fans can do this toothbrush. Oh my God. There you go. Okay. How do you brush your teeth?
ๆ ไม่ใช่จ้า
There's also, oh, how do you use it? Oh, a guitar. One more. Okay, welcome to foot spa. Okay, tennis racket. Oh,
ไม่ใช่จ้า
oh, what else? What else? I know something. You do this, okay? For example, you go here. You're so tired. You're so tired.
มาซาเนาะ
It's a massage.
น้องหมา
You do it.
Back
You
scratcher.
do it on her back. It's so cute.
น่ารัก น่ารัก diversity
There you go. We won't return it na ha. It's theirs already. Okay. We know that you're all excited for tonight's event. They will be coming back again on stage and we will have more chika hands later. So I hope you keep the energy alive for this evening. Once again, let's give it up for Freen and Becky.